Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today I'm bringing you one of the sexiest cars ever built in Australia, the Valiant Charger. And this one is the VH variant, 1971 model, and it is the special E38 race car version built to homologate so that they could race at Bathurst. This one's hot mustard, black trim, at the moment running E37 spec engine. It's a multi-show winning car in beautiful condition. Yeah, feast your eyes on this beauty. I'll show you under the bonnet. Signed by Leo Geoghegan in 2013. You've got your beautiful triple Webers. Actually, these cars in an E39 version, nothing came close to the power out of a 6-cylinder until you got into the FPV XR6 version. But these were an incredibly quick car for the day. So really beautifully done on the inside, these cars. Very nice black trim, all redone. This one, as I said, has got the E39 4-speed gearbox in it, but it also does have the 3-speed original gearbox with it. Under the dash, as they were going down the production line, they put a chalk marking on the underside of the dash to let the people know as it was going down the production line what the car was and what options the car was to be fitted with. If you're interested in finding more on this beautiful car, check out Australian Muscle Car website or come and visit us in Sydney. We'd love to show you this car and the others we have here.